been a long time since pilots would begin a commercial airliner flight by jumping in the cockpit, shouting contact, and having someone spin the prop. When preparing for a safe and efficient flight, dispatchers and pilots must consider many factors, including wind speed and direction, ambient temperature, the airplane's takeoff weight and center of gravity, or CG. Weight is important for determining required takeoff and landing field lengths, available climb and obstacle clearing capability, the allowable amount of reduced takeoff thrust to extend engine life, proper takeoff and landing speeds, accurate fuel planning, and compliance with weight and payload loading limitations. In addition to weight, balance, or more specifically CG, is important for ensuring compliance with CG and payload distribution limitations, acceptable airplane handling qualities, and proper takeoff stabilizer trim settings. Actual airplane weight during operations is the weight of items such as fuel, crew, catering, passengers, baggage, and cargo added to the basic empty weight. And airplane CG during operations is the result of the distribution of that additional weight on the basic empty weight CG. This program will show the Boeing recommended procedure for weighing an airplane to obtain accurate basic empty weight and basic empty weight CG. We'll begin with an introduction to help us understand the terminology and basic concepts of weight and balance. Then we'll see preparations for weighing, including servicing of related systems, conducting an airplane inventory, moving the airplane to an appropriate location, and setting the airplane configuration. Now, airplane's actual weight during operation, you must start with the airplane's basic empty weight. But how do you know what is and what is not included in the BEW? That's where the inventory list comes in. An inventory list must be created that completely defines the contents of the airplane in its BEW configuration. One of the many documents that are delivered with a new To calculate the final BEW and BEW-CG, you will need to apply analytical adjustments to the recorded scale weight and CG to account for the effects of removing items that were on the airplane during the weighing but are not included in the BEW, adding items that were not on the airplane during the weighing but are included in the BEW, full extension or retraction of the flaps and slats to their BEW-defined positions if these positions are different from what was weighed, adding drainable fuel that is to be included in the BEW, adding any system fluids that were not at their full dispatch-ready levels during the weighing, non-level weighing if the airplane could not be leveled to a zero-pitch attitude,